Today is a snow day, but we're gonna tune this V6 Honda Accord, guys. Look at this. Oh man, all the snow in here already, and we're gonna tune. Just drive it in. Drive it in. Oh man, too much snow, guys. Too much snow. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, this baby gonna on a dyno tune. Yeah, we have to check everything over. Let's go. Man, very nice color. Sexy, baby. Very nice. Very nice color. Man. Oh, man. What's your name?
Nathan.
Nathan. How much horsepower you think?
280 wheel.
280 to the wheel, guys. But on Mustang dyno, see what happened. Let's do it.